What's up, guys? It is King Box Films or Caden here, and today I'm going to be playing the Horror Train. So let's get started. There are no rules. Last time I played a Spanish map, and I didn't know really what to do, and I was pretty tired, so I kind of just cheated. Okay, so it's time to put my diamond leggings on, and let's go. Yeah. Oh my gosh, this is so slow. I'm trying to cut off my neck. Oh crap. Come on, go. Turn the lights on. Okay. Minis. Is that done? What the? Is this an adventure map or what? Guess this is a horror map. I got my arrows to protect me. Oh my gosh. I just went through iron bars. Hurry up. Oh, poop. Am I supposed to do anything or just sit in this train? Oh, finally. Beep. Can't cut off my neck. Is that supposed to be blood or what? I'm pretty sure it's blood, yeah. And what now? Okay. This looks like it's done. Yeah. That was pretty short. That was only like 2 minutes, 3 minutes long. Bed. Is it gonna kill me or... Okay. Yeah, I can't even get out now. Wow. I could. Just doing that. But I mean... Thank you guys for watching. And I will see you guys later. Bye.